Hey guys, welcome! I am back for another flip through of one of the 2019 Happy Planners. This time it's the mini Happy Planner Empower Women and it's in a vertical layout. So this is how it looks. It's vertical and it's lined. As we move along, you'll notice that the dashboards are really cute and pretty, and it has inspirational quotes on it. So now that you've seen it, I want to know if this layout is something that would work for you. I think I'm gonna give it a try. Thanks for watching. See you next time.